Free. We want you to make as much noise as possible so everyone around you can hear you. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3! Yeah, not bad.
That's better. Are you guys excited for the fireworks? I am. But before then, let's kill time and have loads of fun! Woo! Yeah!
So yeah, we're Only the Young.
My name's
Thank you for watching. More videos from Kent, England coming soon.